guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been ghosting. I have been really ghosting, but I'm back. It's your girl Clara. Welcome back to my YouTube video. Get in. So today is a different video. It is a different video, and by the way, my YouTube is just for me. I just post whatever I like. Don't yet have a direction for it. Like, yeah, it's just open to anything. Like, one day could be makeup, the next day clothes, the next day who knows. But today it's jewelry. It is jewelry. So I don't know, I was DM'd by Slide Jews and they asked me to be the ambassador. So I was like, oh hell yeah, let's do it. I was like, yeah, let's do it. So yeah, I've been an ambassador I think a few months now, and I've been getting free jewelry. Free jewelry, yes, I have been. So they've asked me to promote. Well, not really asked, but since you're an ambassador, you kind of have to promote the product. So I thought the best way to promote is to come here. Do it here. I'll promote it here. Oh yeah, I got this other one as well. This is from different video. But yeah, let's get into it. So it comes in a little bag like this. So cute. So cute. And then when you open it, it's in a little box. So cute. Little box like this. Like this is all it says. It's a bit oily. So it says slide. And then kind of just open the thing. Oh, guys, he didn't say hi to my special friend. I mean, I forgot to introduce my special friend. This is my teddy bear. I've had this teddy bear for like 4 years. Yeah, my best friend. Keeps me company, keeps me warm at night. But yeah, a special friend. So yeah, let's get into it. And then when you open it, it's in a little bag. Oh, I don't know if the bag was before I don't know, but it's in a little bag. Then we got a little message. So we got a little card with a little special message that says, just a note to say thank you. I hope you enjoy your creation as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. Slide Jewels. This is so cute. I love it. Anyway, let's get into it's in a little bag. How cute. Little bag like this. Then when you open it, another little bag. Because I opened it before. Anyway, I think I've mixed everything up, but so the first one, anyway guys, I got a call, interrupted the whole thing. Oh guys, my top, my top got a bit of makeup on it. Anyway, the first thing, it was in this little bag. So cute. So cute. Then we have this one. I have worn this a few times. It is gorgeous. I love it. The first time I wore it with this white dress. It was so nice. So nice. I'll put in some pictures. So look at this. Guys, how pretty. We are back. I did think about doing my edges, but then I was like, it is what it is. I can't. Guys. My next video is anyway how to do edges, so I'll have them done then. Yeah, so this is the pretty little thing. It's so simple, so classy, and it's like, I don't know, it's so gorgeous. The best part is you can wear it like Look at this. You can switch it. You can switch it. Yeah. Depending on each side you want. You can switch it. So yeah. Or you can do half-half. So 3 ways to wear this one half-half. I don't know. I think I prefer this one. That's the first one. Okay, let's go to the second one. So this one came with the necklace. Why not? Why not? This is the bracelet. Look how cute this is. So gorgeous, man. It's so simple, but so like when you have an outfit, trust me, makes a whole lot of difference. So this is the little cute thing. Let's put it on. Oh, can't put it on because you can't do the thing. That was the first. So they deliver every month. This was I got this in September. I got this in September, yeah. Then October, yay, happy new month, guys. October